Hey guys, how's it going? So I have finally moved. My house, my new place is a mess, but I wanted to give you guys kind of a brief tour of the new studio. So my new place is a little bit larger than my last place. And yeah, I finally have like, I'm pretty excited. I finally have like a dedicated space that's a little bit away from the kids for making YouTube videos. It's a mess, but I think I'll show you guys just like kind of what I'm working with so you can see like the before and afterwards. All right, so let's take a look. Alrighty, so I have like kind of my computer set up here. So this is a little loft kind of area. So it's really messy, but yeah, it's really rainy today. But I have this like little bookshelf thing going here. I had this in my old bookshelf, but I'm using it as like a background kind of. So I'll be putting in like some like books, and I'm gonna set up my Oculus like here. So I'll probably put something up there. But yeah, I'm just kind of using this camera like tripod to, you know, kind of look for the set, and I want to fill it with some programming books and other knickknacks and stuff like that. Anyways, so that's the stairs. So we're on the 3rd floor, so it's a little bit smaller than the other rooms. So this room right here is completely empty. It's probably really echoey here. So for this wall behind me, I'm planning to maybe like hang some, I don't know, one of those like backdrop things, so I can have like different backdrops and like I pull them down for like different things. And I'll probably put like a desk right here, some kind of little desk where I could have my MacBook out and kind of explain things. So I'll do most of my like lessons and stuff like that right here. So for this corner right here, I'm thinking about maybe making it into like I'm gonna maybe put like 2 armchairs or something like that, and a little coffee table, so it'll be more like a casual setting, and if I ever have any guests over, I could kind of have them sit down and chill while I do something, or I don't know, just something not too fancy. But the idea is that I could use this this wall as one set and this like corner as another set. Luckily there's a bathroom in here. It's nothing fancy, but it's nice to have a bathroom up like where the studio will be. So yeah, and there's this like loud fan that's always running, so I gotta like look into that. I think it has something to do with the humidity. Like I don't know. And then in here we have a closet. It's a small closet. It's funny, I think my closet from my previous home was about this size, but now it's anyways, I think I might just soundproof this entire closet and put a little, I don't know, I'm not sure if I want to like put a table, like a small man cave like table in here, or just put a bunch of storage for camera equipment and other like computer equipment. But yeah, I don't know. But yeah, like basically I'm pretty excited to have moved. It's been really tough. So it's been about like a 2-month like process where I was like moving a lot of my stuff. So I haven't been getting like videos out that much, and I still have a lot of unpacking to do. But I'm really hopeful that once I finish unpacking things, you know, and get this like studio set up, it'll be so much easier for me to just after work just come to where like the studio is, and then, you know, just hit record and start working on like new lectures, new videos, just more YouTube content. So but yeah, I'm pretty excited. I haven't had like my own like kind of space to like decorate and everything. So but yeah, my wife was like, yeah, you could make it into a YouTube space. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. I know this is kind of just like a random update video, but I wanted to share with you guys before I kind of deck out and like make this whole space like into a working studio. So the next thing I'll probably make is like more AWS stuff, and I definitely want to live stream a lot more. I'm looking into like whether I just keep it on YouTube, or, you know, a lot of people said to just check out Twitch, because Twitch is really good for streaming and YouTube is just not there yet. But I don't know, I definitely like I definitely want to get into a habit of producing more content. So, but yeah, that's a quick update. I think I'll be like full steam ahead in like a month or so once I unpack everything and start setting some stuff up. But yeah, until then, bear with me on like kind of the sporadic uploads. But yeah, this was just a quick update in the meantime. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys next week.